Oh, hi again. It's me, Citrus Maloney, and I'm a Gen Z and I'm Sheri's social media manager, right? So today I'm doing troll time for Sheri, and I don't even know what to say about this one, you guys, so let's just read it. All right, so this one is from Arca, and Arca says, gross. Not every idea has to be made. And once again, what is with all the capitals and exclamation points? I don't understand. Why are you screaming? Do people not understand this? That if you capitalize and you put all the exclamation marks and everything, you're literally screaming. You are telling the world, I am screaming this. And what a ridiculous thing to scream. And you know what, Arca? Not all of your thoughts and comments need to be put online. You're saying, oh, not every idea has to be made. Not all of your crap needs to be shared, right? Not at all. And at the end of the day, Sheri has millions of ideas every single day. So I can guarantee you that not all of her ideas get made, not even 1% of her ideas get made. And the ones that do get made are pretty awesome and pretty darn creative. So unless you yourself are doing this kind of stuff, from start to finish, you're coming up with the ideas, you're sourcing the materials, you're filming the tutorials, then you're editing the tutorials, you're making all of the graphics, you're doing all of the voiceovers, then you put it online and you make the header images and you put the subtitles, you write the description, you put the timestamps. Unless you are doing all of this. Oh, right. And then you're doing all the social media, right? That's my job as the Gen Z staff member. Social media is my job. Anyway, unless you're doing all of that, please don't criticize. And I never understand that either. Do these people go up to just random people on the street and say, what's your job? And then say, oh yeah, what you should do, blah, blah, blah. Do they then criticize just random people? Would you criticize anybody? Why? Why is it that just because somebody puts something online, so many people think they can criticize it, they can badmouth it, they can say horrible things, and even leave threats? It just doesn't make sense. Seriously, look in the mirror. Look in the friggin' mirror and figure out what it is within yourself that you need to so project onto other people and just be cruel, because it's bizarre and there's no reason for it. There truly isn't. And Refashionista Sheri, what is she doing that's so wrong? Other than sharing free tutorials, putting all this work in behind the scenes to share these tutorials so people can save some money and upcycle and refashion the stuff that they already have. That's not a bad thing, at all. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. And if you don't want to wear it, don't make it. Yeah, I mean, it's logical, right? It's simple, it's logical. Anyway, I think that's about all I have to say about that. And yeah, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri and I, we will catch you on the zigzag. And Erica, take a chill pill, man, okay?
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.